chick. We're walking down 8th Street from our place,
one naked chick on Bedford,
and we see there's a Polish girl on the phone calling the cops. She's on the phone with the cops.
Here's the thing.
All
Alright, true story. There is a fucking restaurant space that has always been there.
With guns on the street.
When I was 20 years old,
That's all I heard.
I was a manager at an English pub restaurant at the World Financial Center, and that was where I met like my first New York real family. They had adopted me and took me in.
I love it.
And then I cannot remember where the fuck that restaurant
now we're gonna give you 2 minutes to remember.
That space is open. It's open right now. And no, but it's one of those like dead spaces that will never have a successful restaurant in.
Why? Because it's Jake's? EOS. Remember EOS?
18th Street between 5th and 6th.
It's just one of those restaurants that... Yeah, that's so totally true.
Oh, you're hot. How you doing? Look at this one. Look at that. She's all happy. She like material things. I don't know. All right.
And girlfriend also backed me up. And by girlfriend, I mean your daughter. Okay?
See, that's like that. Yeah.
Gotcha.
Catch some rays.
It's a race.
Catch some rays.
That's right.
Ray.
Like it. Hello.
You know, right? Cheers.
Hello.
The person I've met that actually likes heat and humidity.
Who?
This one.
That is a
Get
blessing.
out, really? She could have gone and built the canal. It's fucking hot and humid down there.
I know. She's like, oh.